first introduce myself. I'm Tammy Mahone, the Assistant Director of Family Programming at Cool Culture. And I'd like to introduce to you one of our teachers, our interpreter. She speaks Spanish, Stephanie Cabrera. Can you come back on the screen so they can see you? And can you tell us something about yourself, Stephanie?
Other than supporting here on Saturdays, I teach 5th grade, and it's been really interesting doing the distance learning. I would just say it's really fun, and I'm trying to explore new ways. And I like participating in this because it actually gives me ideas to do with the kids as well.
Great, thank you for sharing.
Hey, how are you? I'm Colleen. I work at Mega Rich Head Start for community parents.
Thank you. You do some great work there, and I'm so glad that you're on the call. Last week we made dough. Today we're also going to do something that perhaps you can create at home. And what that is slime. So we're going to get started here. What you will need for slime is just your regular glue, some Borax, if you have that, and you will also need some warm water. Okay, all right, so we have the glue. I use this size container of the glue and I poured it into the bowl. And then what you need is the same amount of water. And if you want, you can add food coloring. If you have it handy, you don't necessarily need it, but if you have food coloring, you can add that to your mixture. And I'm mixing my glue and my water. And now this is my, I read one recipe, they said 1 cup. I read another, they said 1/2 cup. So I put 3/4 hot water. And what you're gonna do is you're going to add 1 teaspoon of your Borax. Got it out of there? Borax.
Do you have to use Borax?
I think you can get away with using detergent. Okay, so I added my teaspoon to my hot water, and you want to stir that until it dissolves. And they call this your activator. And you would pour this into your bowl with your glue. And then you would stir a little bit more.
Ugh.
And there you have it. Instantly wonderful slime. And it's inside of a bowl of water. So I'm going to pour that back, the excess out, because I don't need all that extra liquid. I pour that back out. And there I have, oh, my slime. It's great. Kind of feels warm too, but it's fun to play with. And then if all you need is a Ziploc bag for storage, it takes like 5 minutes. It's easy to make. And thank you. And farewell, everyone, just for now. We'll see you next week.
Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.